to channel. I'm talking high. No one can hear me. No one can hear me. Just talk I normally do. No suspicions. You don't understand how many other times I've tried to record this. So many other times. Every time I do, I play Minecraft. Actually, let's not play Minecraft today. I want to show you something great. That great thing I like to call is, and I've got like no apps. That great thing is Animal Kitchen. I think. Is it Animal Kitchen? Maybe. But anyway, yeah, Animal Kitchen. I don't have any enough storage for anything else on my phone. Tablet. There we go. Tablet. I can't do anything. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Is that a person? Why is there a person here? Why is there a person here? Are people allowed here? Is that a thing? So you can tell I've already got some stuff. Okay, why is there a person here? Are people allowed? I didn't think that was a thing. I want to book the whole restaurant. Got it? What? You can't do that. Can you? Do I have to get everyone out? We're not watching ends here. Hedwig. Hello there. Or leave my letter. Oh. I'll take that. What's it going to be? Ah! What's this going to be? Okay. It's very loud. Let's try and turn that down a bit. My beautiful voice. Let's chill. Okay. No. Bye. Look how business is booming here. You got some cats. You got cats. I'm realizing that this whole restaurant's just cats, isn't it? Even what's the game called again? Animal Restaurant. It's just cats. And then there's one bird. Speaking of one bird, don't cat like cat, owl, more cats. They're all cats. Are they gonna eat Hedwig? Did cats do that? I'm kind of worried. Yeah, Hedwig is the main man on the job. Let's try. Oh, no. Sorry. I don't want this. Close. It's going quite well. But if you don't know Animal Planet, you should definitely. Planet. Say Animal. It's Animal Restaurant. If you don't know about it, you should definitely go download it. It's fun. Really fun. Yeah, only yesterday. Today? What do you want, human? I unlocked the TV promo and a lot of stuff too. Want this human to go away, just doesn't feel right. Okay, so I think every time I'm gonna do a bit behind the scenes, and if I'm actually capable, okay, and capable of, I'll, I will be. Oh, go away. Go away, human. You shouldn't be here. It's Animal Restaurant, not human human animal, and then like one human restaurant. It just isn't right. It's like a quest. Well, we're doing these a lot. 250 times. No, this is way too annoying. Just add 3 times. No. Striped jackal can do that. So 120. Oh, you want to hear this part? Isn't it annoying to hear over and over again? You're right, it isn't. It's like Sheba. Dina. Oh no. I thought I just had everything. Oh no. Better go buy that before someone else asks for it. What was it? I think it was this thing. Awesome. Hot pot. Let's check our customers. I have like none of these. Where? Who? Who do I need? Who? I think I should start unlocking more stuff. Look at the cashier. Okay, he's rating 30, which is good. Bruce money gets all starry eyed when she cod. Bruce movement speed. Collect cod everywhere for 8 seconds and yours for 20 seconds. Still not that bad. Temp work. Temp work. Eggy says he's his little brother. Maybe Eggy found him. He looks like he's underage, but I don't dare to ask. Just like 3. Rabbit. Fisherman rabbit. Is that a rabbit? Oh. Okay, I guess I don't know. More cats. Prince. The gardener water grows the flower, So, obviously I'm gonna go for the cheaper option. Hello. At least I have to go. Oh god. Good for me. I'm sorry, but I have to go promote. Okay, got 2 promotions. I need you. Don't let that jackal, by the way. I'll call when I need you. You don't work. Wait, I don't even bother to remember your names. Gigi. Oh, Gigi? Should I guess you're a guy? You're worthless. When I need you, you decide not to work. When I don't, you decide to work. Come pick your favorite idol in X Factor and then well, you won, so I still don't get this letter either. Why is Edward going? Is it just to get more stars? Well, let's see. This is an 8-minute long video. Since I can't monetize the channel. What's this do? Oh. Whoa. Don't want that. Bye. No, serve the customers. Why can't you do anything? Oh, I need to serve the dumb customers. Oh. Oh, that's what that's for. Hello. Okay. I'm slowly learning about this software. Okay, I think I'm gonna wrap up this video very soon after I do more of these. Let's try and get this restaurant full before I go. What is that? Why do these dogs want the most like expensive food I don't have? Come on, feed this dumb dog and then shaved ice. Damn it. Go away. Okay, Is that right? Okay. Cell phone promo. Anyway, gonna wrap this up here. I just decided to not fill up. You're useless. You're honestly, yeah. yeah, wrap it up here. Hopefully this makes it to YouTube because I've tried a lot of times and it didn't. Okay, bye everybody. See ya next time.